kind of winging it today. I'm going to see if we can't get this drain line fixed. I had the fellas at the shop take the receiver off so that it's not in the way. We're going to put the drain line on and then see if we can't put the receiver on after the drain line's in. I think I have all the parts assembled sitting out here. I think I have all the tools, so we're going to give it a shot. I'm going to try to set this up on a tripod so you can see what's going on. I had to pick things up and put them inside because it started raining and I didn't want the camera to get too wet. But as you can see, I've gotten things glued back together. That bracket just kind of wrapped around there. I'll put it on there better later after the glue's good and solid. Far up there as I can possibly get it. So, it doesn't stick out any farther than the bumper. It's right at the edge, and it surely doesn't stick out any right there, so we should be good to go. There are basically 5 parts to the seal. There's a sleeve or a hub on one side, and it has a gasket attached to it. Gasket's the same on both sides. Then there's the valve body itself. As you can see, it's one pull unit. Opens and closes. That's it. 4 bolts. Pretty easy.